Welcome back to Discover Tech. Witness monster chippers in action and extreme stump destruction. Machines so fast and fierce, you won't believe your eyes. Ready for the wildest ride in woodwork? The combination of a Gandini chipper, a Claas-Zerian tractor, and a Kessler loader offers a highly efficient solution for large-scale wood processing. This setup is particularly well suited for biomass gasification and pellet production. Fuel consumption data would be valuable for assessing overall operational efficiency. Engineered for excellence, the CAT 323 combines precision hydraulics with the power of the CAT C 7.1 engine, enabling efficient excavation through dense root systems. Its balanced design exemplifies the performance and durability that define the Caterpillar brand. Combining the CAT 299 stability with the high-performance Dennis Senf mulcher delivers exceptional land-clearing efficiency. The system handles pine effortlessly, maintaining consistent balance and control while achieving a clean, even finish. $500,000 for a machine? Sounds crazy until you watch the TG 7000 in action. Made in the USA, diesel muscle, advanced hydraulics, this beast grinds, mills, and processes like it owns the place. At that price, you're buying pure power, and I'd love to see the massive jobs it's out there crushing. Sebner wood chipper system's two-stage design, featuring a pre-shredder feeding directly into the main chipper, virtually eliminates jamming. While its higher price point is noted, the increased throughput and smooth operation make it a highly efficient solution. You wouldn't believe it. This guy stumbled across an old, beat-up, lame 100 sawmill, rusted and forgotten. Against all odds, it fired up and started slicing through wood like it was fresh from the factory. Watching junk come back to life like this, pure magic. Bent teeth or misaligned locks on a sawmill blade compromise both cut quality and operator safety. Prompt blade replacement, sharpening, and mechanical adjustment are essential to maintain efficiency. Establishing a routine inspection schedule can significantly reduce downtime and prevent accidents. What's your current inspection interval? Don't let its size fool you. The Jansen GTS 1500E is a beast. No auto feed? No problem. It just chews through logs like nothing, from firewood for cold winters to wood chips for summer BBQs. And with a few mods, even better. Let's check out why this little monster is so amazing. A 300-ton-per-hour crushing plant operates at peak capacity, showcasing the precision engineering of its Korean design. From the high-efficiency jaw crusher to the advanced screening units, every component reflects superior build quality. The immaculate condition of the equipment demonstrates rigorous maintenance, ensuring consistent performance and long-term durability. Equipped with the Rotor S stump crusher, the John Deere 7730 leverages its high-output engine and advanced traction system to deliver optimal performance in demanding forestry conditions. The integration ensures efficient stump removal, even for oversized root systems. It looked like the 18-wheeler had this one in the bag, but that old stump had other plans. Turns out, size isn't everything.
Look right here! Oh yeah, it's moving.
The HSM45 combines exceptional slope climbing capability with a fully rotating operator cab, offering unmatched visibility in forestry operations. Its stability and maneuverability on steep terrain make it ideal for high-demand logging applications. Precision meets raw power. The Volvo EC 140BF and LogMax 5000D are a forest clearing dream team. Smooth hydraulics keep every move under control, while the harvester head's crushing grip and lightning cuts turn towering timber into perfect logs in record time. Designed for extreme field conditions, the NROC battery combines a reinforced steel chassis with durable spring tines to produce uniform windrows in a single pass. With its US patent, it delivers consistent results across varying terrain. Performance and resilience, proven in the toughest hay environments.
I'm sure some of you might say, oh, I'm gonna get burning on it today.
The The inside-out burning method offers a low-impact alternative to mechanical stump removal. By sustaining a contained burn with wood and sawdust, the process gradually eliminates the stump without excessive labor or equipment costs, making it an efficient solution for residential land management.
The flame is down the bottom. A little bit ago I took the direct look. It's burning. Alright guys, it is 3 o'clock. The back is still pretty hard. More to do. And the roots are wet. They're softening up.
This homemade log splitter combines an 8-kilowatt motor with a repurposed sawmill component, delivering impressive splitting force. The belt drive provides a built-in safety mechanism, slipping under heavy load to prevent damage. While it struggles with oversized logs, it remains a highly capable DIY solution.
Отакий мотор, отакий виключатель, відкриваю 2. Не треба ніяких болтів. От знімаю ножі, може треба їх наточити. Тут один.
Hey, watch your fingers, I said as the blade spun. This homemade chipper isn't fancy, but it's brilliant. It takes all those unwanted branches and turns them into something valuable. Sometimes the smartest ideas are the simplest ones. Got a stump problem? Meet the 5288 IH tractor. This beast yanks even the nastiest roots right out of the ground. A little smart chain placement and boom. Gone in seconds. Watching it work is pure satisfaction. The Adara stump planer integrates auger-style accuracy with high torque performance, enabling efficient stump removal. Its engineered design promotes smooth cutting action, minimizing debris and cleanup requirements compared to traditional grinding.